Hello everyone, I hope you are all well and your loved ones are safe during these times. My name is Yong and I'm a senior test engineer at Booking.com in Manchester. I believe that the key to agile delivery, shared understanding and quality are communication and an interdisciplinary approach so that the software we build has the input from the whole team and align with the stakeholders and company's goals and the user's expectations. To be inclusive of all stakeholders and for my own learning and development, I challenge myself to explain the same things with non-techie terms and with real-life examples. This time, I'd like to share my thoughts about the eruption types of tech debt and what do tech debt and volcanoes have in common, the anatomy of the tech debt volcano and the eruptions, the risks to look out for, why tech debt can or cannot be treated like volcanoes, and how to embed it in your ways of working.